Hey everyone, welcome back to day 17 of the 30-day AI Profit Challenge. Mark here, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. I know some of you use Bolt.new, and today I'm going to show you some starter templates, which are wonderful. If you've been using Bolt.new for building apps, websites, anything like that, you know that a template could save you a ton of time and effort. But if you haven't explored them yet, today's your chance to see how you can access and use pre-built templates for free to supercharge your projects. Whether you're looking to create websites, build an app, or set up automations, these templates can be a game changer for you. And if you're new to the channel or have missed any of the previous videos, don't worry, you can catch up on the entire 30-day challenge on the link up above. Before we dive into the templates, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our amazing AI tools. And don't forget to download your free AI checklist from the link in the description below and follow along the entire challenge. All right, let's get into it. So it's actually at boltstarter.com. I'll put the link down below, but this is what I found. And they have several different templates. If we scroll down here, we have AI chat interfaces, admin boards, and I'll show you how to use these in just a moment here. But blogs, websites, but you can take a look and see. I like the CRM. I'm actually going to build that out eventually here. Not sure that I'll show it because it'll take a long time, and that'll be like a 2-hour long thing, probably longer than that. Don't think many of you will stay around for that. You can see there's a lot of different things here, and you can actually just, like here, if we look at, I don't know, just pick one here. Property listings, property rentals. So if I go live preview, it'll show you what it looks like. And so this is the property rental. It's like a B&B type thing. Looks good. So it's just the skin of it right now. It's not the internal workings. But what we can do is we get into it, and I'll open up a couple other ones here. I saw a coffee shop one. All right, Remix Portfolio, social media platform. Let's check out this social media dashboard, see what this live preview. And again, these are completely free. Okay, so this is, all right, home, notifications, messages. This is a little bit different. Dashboard, hot tweets. None of these buttons are functional. So these are just the skins to everything, but I'll show you how you can actually set it up and walk through with Bolt, and Bolt will answer your questions on this. So team workspace, portfolio tracker, tic-tac-toe game. They've added quite a bit since I started checking this out. Video course platform. Take a quick look at this. So if you wanted to build out a video course, you could have this here and have your own platform for hosting it. So you can see it makes sense. That's a good clean look. I would change some things on it, but that's pretty clean. All right, so let's take a look. All you have to do to open up any of these is, I'm going to go up to that CRM because that's what I am looking at doing. Even if you don't know any coding at all, where's that CRM one? Even if you don't know any coding at all, Bolt will help you get through that. There it is, CRM system. So we're just going to go ahead. I'll look at a preview of it first so you can see what I'm looking at. This looks pretty nice though. And this one actually has all of the, none of the back end done, but all the pages are loading properly. Add customers, conversations that you have with them, campaigns. I really like this. And for my AI chatbot program that I run, business that I run, this would be a wonderful thing. I could help them out with this as well. Add users, profile, settings, all kinds of stuff you can do in here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and show you how this actually works. So launch in Bolt. This button does not use any tokens. So we're going to launch that. It's going to take a minute here to load up, of course, and Bolt.new. And if you know coding, you can even just export it right here and then put it into something else if you want. So you actually already have that. See, edit and stack blitz, next generation editor. Okay, let it go through its thing here. It takes a couple minutes for that to pull up. While that's pulling up, actually, we're gonna go back here and see what else we have here. Chess game, let's look at that. I'm just curious. And okay, so it's a chess game. New game. Let's see if it lets us play anything here. I don't see that it's White's turn, so let's go ahead and we'll move him here. Black's turn, him here. But yeah, so see, that seems to be working. That's actually a functional thing. All right, let's go back to our image here. Has it finished loading up yet? Importing GitHub repository, so that's going to take a couple more minutes here, it looks like. In the meantime, let's see what else we have here. Creative agency template. Let's take a look, see what that looks like. Well, that's kind of nice. It's responsive. Huh. But that's not too bad. How about, I think there was one that was a landing page I thought I saw here. Astro, let's see what the landing page looks like while this is loading. Is that loaded up? Still loading. See, it's still importing it. Depends on the internet speed. All right, let's look for, I know there was a landing page template. No, I saw it. Dynamic form builder. Okay, e-commerce, store, flight, landing page. All right, so let's, I can't do a preview on that one. All right, well, let's go back to our thing. This should be done. All right, there's our dashboard and everything. Now, what you can do in Bolt, now, even if you don't know any coding, so we have connect to Superbase up there, which is great. But if you don't know any coding at all, please review this template and let me know all of the steps to make this fully functioning without changing the layout. Where do we start? And all right, we'll just go, where do we start? And yeah, and give me a full action plan to make this work. So we're just asking it for the action plan right now. It's like with any other type of AI, you want to kind of tell it the way you want to do it. All right, let's see what happens here. All right, fully functioning. Here's a comprehensive. All right, so there, it's telling me exactly what. Okay, well, it's actually starting to do some of the stuff. I'll help you make the CRA fully functioning. Here's the comprehensive action plan broken down into steps. Initialize, set up independent dependencies first. Let's ensure you require all dependencies. So it's loading all the stuff, all the dependencies. Database setup. We'll need to set up database tables for, okay. Let me create the necessary migrations. It's doing everything. That's pretty cool. State management setup. All right. Would you like me to proceed with the implementation in the next step? All right, so as you can see, I would just need new SuperNext if you are, all right, see, so you could go ahead and connect this and go through the steps. So it's pretty simple to be able to do that. As you can see, just let the Bolt.new handle it for you. You can imagine this is not going to be, like I said, a quick 2-minute drill. This is going to take some time to actually build out, but Bolt will do it for you, so don't worry about that. I'm also looking into Bolt.DIY, which is where you can do it on your own local system. I'm running into some problems setting that up, but once I get it set up, I'll do a video on that and how we can import this and make it work there too. All right, thank you for your time today. If you have any questions, please list them below. And tomorrow we're going to do another interesting thing. Thanks.